Hi and Assalamualaikum to Doctor. My name is AQILAH and I'm going to talk about the background company of Dutch Lady. First of all, there is bound to be a Dutch Lady product in the cupboard or fridge in nearly every Malaysian home. The brand has become a household name in the region, whether it is pasteurized whole milk, baby milk formula or yogurt, and is known for its public health promotion initiative. Dutch Lady is a household name in Malaysia, tracing its origins in the country to 1954, whether it is pasteurized whole milk, baby milk formula or yogurt. And the second one is its parent company is one of the largest dairy cooperative in the world, operated by 18,621 farmers to ensure that the common gains begin in the field. And the third one is since the 1960s, Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad doing a business as Dutch Lady Malaysia has been a producer of cow milk and milk product in Malaysia. It was previously run by Royal Friesland Food, a multinational cooperative based in the Netherlands. In addition, sterilized milk was locally produced and sold in plastic bottle in 1983. Production of chilled milk product began in 1986, and fruit yogurt and rice milk were introduced into the market in 1988. The company continued to manufacture and introduce new products into the Malaysian market with a net profit of 27.5 million. Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad is a pioneer in Malaysian quality branded milk market. In 1963, Dutch Lady Industry Berhad was founded and was the first Bursa Malaysia listed milk company in Malaysia. The parent in the Netherlands, Royal Friesland Campina, is a Dutch Lady multinational corporation and one of the world's largest milk companies, manufacturing and selling natural, nutritious and high quality dairy products and ingredients. Dutch Lady of Malaysia was first known as a producer of sweetened condensed milk. The company's goods are all approved by Halal. Each product innovation is driven by comprehensive research both locally and internationally in our rapidly evolving infant and child formula age. And the last one is Dutch Lady is now expanding their increasing dairy good business around the world. Thank you.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is BENRONICA JANAM and I am going to present about particular product produced by Dutch Lady, which is UHT full cream milk production process. First, to produce UHT full cream milk, recombination process needs to be done by adding water into skim milk product, mixing them at temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Next, UHT processing is done to maximize destruction of microorganisms and minimize chemical changes. UHT processing is done at temperature of 135 degrees Celsius, followed by rapid cooling, which enable the creation of shelf-stable product for several months. The third process is homogenization process to create a stable emulsion to make sure fat globules does not rise to form cream layer. This results to whiter and more appealing color to customers. Last but not least, the aseptic packaging ensure the filling of milk products into sterile container in a sterile environment can be conducted to ensure there is no pathogen or bacteria that are able to contaminate the product. Thank you.
Hi, my name is ANISSA and today I would like to present about capacity planning for Dutch Lady. Capacity can be defined as the maximum rate of output that can be achieved by the facility. Site capacity planning can be described by the establishment of all-level productivity resources for a company. The capacity planning did by Dutch Lady is by doing campaign and invest for its long-term strategic planning. Campaign has helped on raising awareness towards the benefit of consuming milk in Malaysia, such as in 2015, a campaign led by Dutch Lady called 2 a Day Milk, which point out to drink 2 servings of milk a day. From this campaign, the Lady has successfully introduced the benefit of consumer milk as part of balanced diet for its consumers. Other than that, campaigns such as Minimum Awesome campaign also did by the Lady, which helped on promoting the product specifically through social media with the help of social media influencers. This campaign has helped the company to attract younger generation to consume their milk product as their target customer mostly towards kids and teenagers. After that, on December 17, 2020, Dutch Lady has invested for its long-term capacity planning by 340 million ringgit Malaysia to upgrade its manufacturing facility at Seremban Negeri Sembilan. This investment made by Dutch Lady is for improving its manufacturing capabilities to keep pace with customer demand and trend for their product. The investment will also improve Dutch Lady manufacturing and warehouse facility, support facility and their office facility, which all of those facilities will be used as facility to manufacture their dairy product and other type of product that the company may come up with in the future. Thank you very much. That's all from me.
Now, I'm Nur Atikah presenting to you about supply chain management. The supply chain management is the management of product and services flows that involve all processes which produce raw material into finished product. In order to maximize client value and gain a competitive edge on the market, it requires the active streamlining of supply side activities in the business. There are 5 elements in the supply chain management. Firstly is planning of strategies where Dutch Lady plan to strengthen their role as the leading dairy company and to help Malaysians move toward trustworthy dairy nutritional growth. 3 pricing strategies exist such as skimming pricing, price penetration and competitive strategies. The Dutch Lady use technique for pricing penetration where they put its product in the market at relatively small prices to ensure market acceptance. They also want to draw more customers so that they could still penetrate wide and strong into the market. Secondly is sourcing, which is we concentrate mainly on creating a strong connection with raw material suppliers needed for the production. Thus, supply chain managers must develop with suppliers a set of costing, payment and delivery method as well as establish the metric for monitoring and improving partnership. The Dutch Dairy Malaysia has no dairy farm and they also buy other raw material such as sugar, cocoa, paper and plastic packaging material from other countries. Dutch Lady source this raw material from other countries is to reduce costs in manufacturing process and maximize the profit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am IZYAN binti Harun. So I will continue to present about 5 elements supply chain management. So the third element is production or manufacturing, which is there are making, production or manufacturing of goods which is the customer has demanded. The goods have to be designed, produced, tested, packaged and delivered. The supply chain leader is required for all necessary manufacturing, testing, packaging, and delivery preparation activities. In this phase, companies can measure the quality, production output, and productivity of employees as higher metric-intensive unit. In the production method, Dutch Lady use UHT, ultra-high temperature, to create an aseptic product that is long-lasting. The packaging obviously plays an important role, aside from fulfilling the essential purpose of product safety, which is they are considered to package the product that are cost-effective, like biodegradable and recyclable, so that they can reduce the cost. Next, the fourth element is deliver. The main part of this stage is the logical phase, which purchase order are accepted and product are delivered. The logistic, where companies work to collect order from customer, create network for warehouse, select courier to deliver product, and check the payment invoicing system. Dutch Lady use retailing to show how the goods and services being delivered to meet final customer, and it is one way to deliver product to the end user. They distribute the product via hypermarket, convenience market, and supermarket. The retailer primarily offer product in large quantity that is low cost and convenient, such as Tesco, 7-Eleven, and Giant. It is to achieve a low market price because they will get discount. This makes the target customer more convenient to satisfy their needs and want because retailers sell product in the small amount. It also helps the retailer to generate greater profit. The fifth element, which is the last element in supply chain management, is return, which is customer return to the supplier the damaged or defective product. The retailer or companies that purchase the defect or damaged product could return to the Dutch lady manufacturer but must fulfill the return policy, which is the return must be issued and a copy of original payment must also received by the Dutch lady within 30 days. But if the customer buy the Dutch lady product from convenience store, they has no right to refund because the refund is handled by payment gateway. In conclusion, supply chain management help to make the operation in company operate smoothly and improve performance of company based on the revenue and level satisfaction from customer. That's all from me. Thank you.